Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's going on YouTube? I'm gonna show you exactly in today's video what I have done to grow one of my Shopify stores to over $40,000 in the past 7 months. I'm gonna break down exactly how to set up with Google Shopping ad campaign and why I used to do it, which ultimately makes you money and of course brings customers to your website or directly to your Shopify store. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. Let's get right into it. This video for someone they're owning his own website, and once they build it, he doesn't know if he will be able to get customers to his story. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to set up a Google Shopping. That's what you will learn, and I will show you how I drive traffic to one of my Shopify stores and campaign that would drive traffic to your site and make money. I'm gonna show you what I have done in 7 months. As you can see, I have done $40,000. There you go, proof of concept. I will show you how to use your Google Shopping ad campaign. Now we are gonna jump into the Google ad account. Let's do it. To set up a Google Shopping ad campaign, what you need to do, I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do. You need to create a Google Shopping ad campaign, and you come to the left hand side and you are gonna come onto the screen. After you click campaign, you are gonna click new campaign. After you press this blue button, so when you are on the screen, click sales. That's what you're gonna do. And because I'm trying to get sales, what you are gonna see is sales leads website traffic. So click on sales and you are gonna click on shopping, because today we are doing a Google Shopping ad campaign. The section here is gonna bring up all of your merchant ID, etc. You have got two options when it comes to Google Shopping ad campaign. You have got a smart shopping campaign, standard shopping, and when you have only got one product, and of course smart shopping is good, they should place that one and your campaign. I'm gonna click on standard shopping campaign because I have got multiple products, different elements of the campaign that gives me more ability to take control over. And you are gonna enter the name once you are on the setting up a test campaign screen. This is just for yourself, test campaign, that's what I'm gonna put. Then you are gonna fit in a budget and you should maximize clicks for your campaign, and that's my advice to you. And you are gonna have to do your research into. I normally sit at 80 cents, just to say maximum cost per bid limit. Point, this video is just to show you the simplicity of how to sell products, how to use a campaign to sell products. And my products is around 10 to 80 cents cost per click on average. And you need to know about Google Shopping when it comes to start in the Shopify store, just giving you an idea of the possibilities to start the Shopify store and driving traffic to the store using Google Ads. Alright, let's continue the video. Setting up a budget to spend each day. Enter the average you want. Let's start off with $3, and you are going to spend more money if you want to grow. You are probably going to spend $200. Just set it at low. If you have only got one campaign, automatically Google is gonna select this for you. And when it comes to networks, I select the YouTube. And if you want to target a specific area, if you are in the US, for example, I want to target the US, you will target US. If you are in the UK and you want to target the UK, you will target the UK. You have the choice. This is where you want your ads to be targeted. It's simple, and that's what I do. Just keep it simple. I will keep at that. I might sell another campaign for each individual country, and we can cancel the campaign at any time. And again, this is just for ourselves. And if we need to add a group type product shopping, we can do that. There we go, the campaign is loaded. So this is just the basic way to get things started. That's how you set up with Google Shopping a campaign. And you need to be mindful of the following. And after you create your campaign, you need to focus on campaign optimization. You need to know what negative keywords are and how to increase campaign budgets and when. And also you need to focus on removing products. That's how you set up a Google Shopping ad campaign. And if you want me to make a video showing you how to set up and how to design a Shopify store from scratch, let me know, put in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.